No little girl can't rush off for me. The research and look big somebody. Cause me no want no pick me, make no police lock me up and in a penitentiary. Me want big woman rush off for me. Them can't wash and can't cook food for me. But little girl, you know them can't do it. All them a talk about me. Me not talk about it cause me know say it's that. But you a bust choose out of body back. Me a go tell you right now me in on me back. Some lazy upper and Irish match. Pan suited and damn it and fat. Me a go talk the truth cause me a no idiot. Me a fit talk lyrics cause me chance that slack. No little girl can't cross all me spot too. No little girl can't rush up on me. Me a man a look big somebody. Tell the world me no want no pick me. That means a youth man. Hold on there. Me a go tell you how the important I see. Not talk about the girl when I you. Not talk about the guy sound too dirty. I it makes some big man a rape picnic. Man a rape 8, 9. Man a rape 3. Me don't want that we up to my duty. So when me a pass on a talk reality. This is the tune where people everybody I say. The little girl can't rush off for me. Little girl can't wash clothes for me. No little girl can't get food to me. God them love to so. Some of them nasty. No little girl can't rush off.
Every girl want to hook off for me. Every girl want to hook off for me.
Do you get that?
Some of them say me look ugly and them want to lick money, but every girl fresh jump in for the tune, man.
Get that?
Yeah.
Do you get that?
Alright, mix it then now. Tonio.
It's like boom, my bird, I'm on the boy.
Pull up. Hello. Hey. Hello. How you doing? Good night, sweetie. Come here. I got a prize for you. Sweetie. Don't worry, Sal. I saw you leaving, but I couldn't let you leave. I know you ain't leaving, but I know.
You know, so think like next month, Mariah Carey there come. Should they know?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mariah Carey inside the house.
Come here, baby. Welcome to Jam Rock. Step on the road. Hey, keep it calm, baby. I normally ask people where they're from. And tonight I didn't do my foreigners roll call. But when I see foreigners, I know them by their color. Good night.
Canada.
That's right. Ontario, Vancouver, Quebec. Where?
Winnipeg.
Winnipeg?
Manitoba.
Manitoba?
You come from my side of the world. Winnipeg.
Jamaica, we don't deal with Manitoba.
Winnipeg, that.
But if we go to Canada, we man and you turn over. How are you doing?
Fantastic.
Oh, fantastic. Are you in Jamaica, right?
Well, yes.
All right. So if you hear Pow Pow, don't get excited. We're still celebrating Christmas. Okay? So Jamaica is a very wonderful place. How long you been here?
12 days now.
Oh, you missed your flight today. It's a wonderful thing, and you didn't regret it, innit? Oh, damn. You loved it. It was good. When you leaving? Oh, you did it on purpose. When you leaving?
Wednesday.
Oh, that's wonderful. So you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is it about Canada that you want to share with us tonight?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing? Is it cold?
Cold as hell.
Jamaica is warm as hell. That's right. Did you know that Jamaica is a land of wood and water?
Really?
Yes, it is. So out of the wood or the water, which one you rather? Come here, no man. Answer, no man. Answer. Out of the wood or the water, which one you rather?
Both.
Oh, you like both? No problem, sweetheart, because in Jamaica, when you get the wood, you must get the water. And anything you see after 9 months, you call it a son or a daughter. Big up yourself and welcome to Jam Rock. Sure. So where you going now right now?
I'm going to follow my friends to the restroom.
Oh, no, we don't have restroom here. We have
I've seen that.
piss house. Don't make them trick you. I'm firing with you with restroom. When you go out there, so you're resting in the room. You saw your piss and come out. Other people out there waiting. It's when you go outside and you see people like this, and a dancer my dance. Pressure them on them. What's your name?
Zion.
Zion. Holy moly, Zion. You Jamaican?
Yes, can't you tell?
No, are you Jamaican for real?
Comedian.
Jamaican. Oh, I like that. No, why I ask? A lot of people come to Jamaica and say they are Jamaican, but they were born black like this brother, but after 3 months they're brown like you. If you don't believe me, go to Horizon and ask for somebody that goes by the name of Adidja Palmer. He's browner than you. So sweetheart, and welcome to Jamaica. Alright, darling? Can I get you something to drink?
I'm good. Thank you.
I love you. I will take you anywhere. You see the last Jamaican girl me asked, can I have something to drink? She turned on, one who want for drink, one who want for drink. She brilliant crowd. I like it, but I got anyway. You want something to eat?
Oh,
I love you. Last girl me asked that me slap with a leg and tie. You want money?
I got it.
Oh Lord, I love you. Not a Jamaican girl. If you